Hello friends, there are many people who are facing with the hair loss problem. If you are facing with the same problem, then this video is for you. So in the today's video we will talk about the two basic things, out of which first one is the basic causes that can lead to the hair loss and second one is its remedies. So in this video we will talk about both the things. So let's start. The start of hair loss is a normal process, but it is your decision that you want to embrace it or you wanna fight against it. In this video, I will tell you the exact causes of the hair loss. Male balding has a characteristic pattern. In starting, we start off with the full head of hair. In most men, the first sign of balding appears at the temples with slow but steady regression of the hairline. Then after some time, hair on the crown starts thinning slowly. And then it starts covering the contacting area and hair retreats backwards from the forehead. This type of hair loss is called androgenetic alopecia. This is the most common form of hair loss in men. Like this, there are other forms of hair loss with different patterns also. According to studies, 81% of male pattern hair loss is attributed to genetics. You also lose your hair if you have certain diseases such as thyroid problems, diabetes or lupus. Other causes includes stress, a low protein diet, a family history, a poor nutrition or smoking. Difficult hairstyles and treatment can also cause the hair fall. Now listen carefully about the tips that may be helpful to avoid hair loss. First one is be gentle with your hair. So use soft and white toothed combs. Second one is protect your hair from the sunlight and other sources of UV light. Third one is stop smoking. Fourth one is ask your doctors about the medications and supplements you take that may cause the hair loss. Now talking about the foods that can be helpful for fighting against the hair loss. This includes higher sources of protein foods like eggs, meats, soya products. Others are berries, sweet potatoes, avocados, nuts, seeds, soya beans, meat, spinach and fatty fish. Your diet should also contain multivitamins and multiminerals to fight against the hair loss. Finally, I would say taking protein-rich diet and supplements and also applying protein-rich shampoos in your hair can help for strengthening the hair. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.